Have you ever noticed the same number sequences appearing repeatedly in your daily life? Whether it's glancing at the clock at 11:11, seeing 222 on a license plate, or encountering 333 on receipts, these recurring numbers are more than mere coincidences. They are known as angel numbers, divine messages from the spiritual realm intended to offer guidance, support, and insight into your life's journey. However, interpreting these angel numbers isn't always straightforward. Many individuals find it challenging to decipher their true meanings and apply them effectively to their lives. In today's video, we'll delve into the complexities of interpreting angel numbers. We'll explore the reasons why understanding these numerical messages can be difficult, the common obstacles people face, and practical strategies to enhance your ability to interpret and utilize angel numbers for personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. By the end of this guide, you'll gain a clearer understanding of why interpreting angel numbers can be challenging and how to overcome these hurdles to harness their full potential. What are angel numbers? Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that carry specific vibrational energies and spiritual meanings. In numerology, each number is associated with particular traits, energies, and symbolic significance. When these numbers appear repeatedly in your life, whether on clocks, license plates, receipts, phone numbers, or even in your dreams, they are believed to be messages from guardian angels or the universe itself. The concept of angel numbers is rooted in the belief that the universe communicates with us through symbols and synchronicities. Numbers are a universal language that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers, making them an effective medium for spiritual communication. Each angel number sequence has its own unique meaning, offering guidance, support, and answers tailored to your current life situation. By paying attention to these numbers and understanding their significance, you can receive the clarity you need to make important decisions. Why is it difficult to interpret angel numbers? Interpreting angel numbers can be a nuanced and complex process. Several factors contribute to the difficulty many individuals experience when trying to understand these divine messages. Subjectivity and personal interpretation. Individual experiences. Each person's life experiences, beliefs, and emotional states influence how they perceive and interpret angel numbers. What resonates with one person may not hold the same meaning for another. Lack of standardization. There is no universally accepted system for interpreting angel numbers. Different sources may offer varying meanings for the same number sequence, leading to confusion. Context dependence. Situational relevance. The meaning of an angel number can change depending on the context in which it appears. For example, seeing 333 during a period of personal growth may have a different significance than seeing it during a time of challenge. Life circumstances. Your current life situation plays a crucial role in interpreting angel numbers. Without considering the surrounding circumstances, the message may seem unclear or irrelevant. Psychological factors. Confirmation bias. Individuals may interpret angel numbers in ways that confirm their existing beliefs or desires, rather than seeking objective meanings. Overthinking. Excessive analysis can lead to misinterpretation. Trying to force a specific meaning onto a number sequence can obscure its true message. Multiplicity of meanings. Numerological complexity. Numbers can carry multiple layers of meanings based on their individual digits and their combinations. For instance, 111 can symbolize new beginnings, spiritual awakening, or manifestation, depending on the context. Cultural variations. Different cultures may attribute different meanings to the same numbers, adding another layer of complexity to interpretation. Spiritual disconnect. Lack of spiritual practice. Individuals who are not engaged in regular spiritual practices may find it harder to connect with and interpret angel numbers effectively. Skepticism and doubt. Doubts about the existence or influence of guardian angels and the spiritual realm can hinder the ability to trust and interpret angel numbers accurately. Information overload. Excessive sources. With numerous books, websites, and experts offering interpretations, the abundance of information can be overwhelming and contradictory. Varied interpretations, conflicting meanings from different sources can create confusion, making it difficult to discern the true message behind an angel number. Emotional turmoil. Stress and anxiety. High levels of stress or emotional instability can cloud judgment and make it harder to interpret angel numbers with clarity. Attachment to outcomes. Being overly attached to specific outcomes can skew the interpretation, leading to biased or unfounded conclusions. Common challenges in interpreting angel numbers. Ambiguity of meanings. Angel numbers often have broad and multifaceted meanings, which can be interpreted in various ways. This ambiguity requires a deep level of personal reflection to pinpoint the most relevant message. Timing and relevance. Understanding the right timing to interpret and act on angel numbers is crucial. Misalignment between the message and your current life phase can lead to misinterpretation. Emotional bias. Personal emotions and biases can influence how you perceive the meaning of an angel number, potentially leading to inaccurate interpretations. Difficulty in recognizing patterns. Not everyone is attuned to noticing repeating number sequences. This lack of awareness can result in missed opportunities for receiving guidance. Inconsistent manifestation. Angel numbers don't always appear in the same way or frequency, making it challenging to develop a consistent method for interpretation. Strategies to overcome interpretation challenges. Enhance self-awareness. Mindfulness practices. Engage in mindfulness and meditation to increase your awareness of the present moment and improve your ability to recognize angel numbers. Emotional regulation. Work on managing your emotions to reduce bias and enhance clarity in interpretation. Personal reflection and introspection. Journaling. Keep a journal to document the angel numbers you encounter and the circumstances surrounding their appearance. Reflecting on these entries can reveal patterns and deeper meanings. Questioning. Ask yourself what each number sequence might be prompting you to consider or change in your life. Educate yourself on numerology. Study numerology. Gain a foundational understanding of numerology to better grasp the inherent meanings of different numbers and their combinations. Diverse sources. Explore various interpretations from multiple sources to develop a more comprehensive understanding of angel numbers. Seek guidance from experts. Numerologists and spiritual advisors. Consult with professionals who specialize in numerology or spiritual guidance to gain personalized insights into the meanings of angel numbers. Community support. Join forums or groups where you can share experiences and learn from others who have interpreted angel numbers. Develop intuitive skills. Trust your gut feelings. Pay attention to your initial reactions and feelings when you encounter an angel number. Your intuition can provide valuable clues to its meaning. Practice regularly. Engage in activities that enhance your intuition, such as meditation, yoga, or creative pursuits. Stay open-minded and flexible. Embrace multiple interpretations. Be open to the possibility that a single angel number can have various meanings based on different contexts. Adaptability. Be willing to adjust your interpretations as your life circumstances evolve. Establish consistent practices. Daily reflection. Incorporate a daily routine of reflecting on any angel numbers you encounter and their potential meanings. Visualization techniques. Use visualization to connect with the energy of the angel number and gain deeper insights. Practical steps to improve interpretation skills. Create a dedicated space for reflection. Designate a quiet area in your home for meditation and reflection, where you can focus on interpreting angel numbers without distractions. Use affirmations and mantras. Incorporate positive affirmations related to understanding and clarity. For example, I am open to receiving and understanding the messages of angel numbers. Engage in guided meditations. Utilize guided meditations that focus on numerology and angelic guidance to enhance your ability to interpret angel numbers. Maintain a symbol dictionary. Create a personal dictionary of symbols and numbers that resonate with you. Over time, this can become a valuable reference for interpreting angel numbers. Practice patience and persistence. Developing the skill to interpret angel numbers accurately takes time and consistent effort. Be patient with yourself and remain persistent in your practice. Balance analysis with intuition. While research and study are important, also allow your intuition to guide your interpretations. Finding a balance between logical analysis and intuitive insight can lead to more accurate understanding. Common misconceptions about angel numbers. Angel numbers are predictive tools. Misconception: some believe angel numbers predict the future or guarantee specific outcomes. Reality: angel numbers provide guidance and insights but do not dictate exact future events. They are tools for empowerment and self-awareness. Only certain people receive angel numbers. Misconception: there is a belief that angel numbers are exclusive to spiritually inclined individuals. Reality: angel numbers are accessible to everyone. They appear to those who are open and attentive to their presence. Angel numbers are always positive. Misconception: some think that all angel numbers carry positive messages. Reality: while angel numbers generally offer guidance and support, they can also highlight challenges or areas that require attention for personal growth. Angel numbers replace personal responsibility. Misconception: relying on angel numbers can lead to a passive approach to life's decisions. Reality: angel numbers serve as guidance, but personal responsibility and proactive decision-making are essential for achieving desired outcomes. All angel numbers have the same meaning across cultures. Misconception: numbers carry universal meanings regardless of cultural context. Reality: while numbers have inherent meanings in numerology, cultural interpretations can influence their significance, adding layers to their messages. Balancing skepticism and belief. It's natural to approach angel numbers with a degree of skepticism, especially if you're new to the concept. Balancing critical thinking with openness can lead to a more meaningful and insightful interpretation process. Personal experimentation. Action: incorporate angel numbers into your daily routine and observe any changes or insights that arise. Benefit: personal experience can validate or refine your understanding of angel numbers. Critical analysis. Action: evaluate the contexts in which you encounter angel numbers and assess whether the interpretations align with your life situations. Benefit: enhances your ability to discern meaningful messages from random coincidences. Integrative approach. Action: combine angel number interpretations with other forms of guidance, such as intuition, counseling, or professional advice. Benefit: creates a holistic decision-making framework that leverages multiple sources of insight. Respecting diverse views. Action: acknowledge and respect that others may have different experiences and interpretations of angel numbers. Benefit: broadens your perspective and enriches your own interpretative practice. Focus on personal growth. Action: use angel numbers as tools for self-reflection and personal development rather than definitive answers. Benefit: promotes continuous growth and a deeper understanding of oneself. Enhancing your interpretation skills. Deep listening. Practice. During moments when you encounter angel numbers, take time to listen to your inner thoughts and feelings. Outcome: enhances your ability to connect with the underlying message of the number sequence. Energy alignment. Practice. Align your personal energy with the vibrations of the angel number. For example, if focusing on 888, abundance, cultivate feelings of gratitude and openness. Outcome: strengthens the resonance between you and the message, leading to clearer interpretations. Mind-body connection. Practice. Pay attention to physical sensations or emotions that arise when you notice an angel number. Outcome: provides additional layers of insight into the meaning of the number based on your body's responses. Visualization techniques. Practice. Visualize the angel number and its associated meanings during meditation or quiet reflection. Outcome: deepens your connection to the number's message and facilitates intuitive understanding. Regular practice. Practice. Make interpreting angel numbers a consistent part of your spiritual or self-reflection routine. Outcome: enhances your proficiency and confidence in understanding and applying angel number messages. Real-life examples of interpretation challenges. Multiple meanings confusion. Scenario: Sarah sees the number 333 during a time of career uncertainty. She interprets it as both a sign to seek mentorship and a prompt to express her creativity. Challenge: determining which aspect of her life the number is specifically addressing. Solution: Sarah reflects on her current priorities and decides to seek mentorship first, trusting that expressing her creativity will follow naturally. Context misalignment. Scenario: John encounters the number 555 while planning a vacation. He interprets it as a sign of significant change, leading him to cancel his plans. Challenge: the number was intended to guide him toward embracing change in his professional life, not his personal plans. Solution: John reevaluates his interpretation by considering the broader context of his life, adjusting his actions to align with his career goals instead. Emotional bias. Scenario: Emma sees the number 444 during a stressful period and interprets it as a sign of imminent financial stability, despite her ongoing financial struggles. Challenge: her desire for financial relief biases her interpretation, leading to misplaced hope. Solution: Emma balances her interpretation by acknowledging the number's message of building a solid foundation, prompting her to take practical steps toward financial planning. Conclusion: interpreting angel numbers is a deeply personal and often complex process influenced by various factors, including individual experiences, emotional states, and contextual relevance. While the journey to understanding these divine messages can be challenging, it is also rewarding, offering profound insights and guidance that align with your highest good. By recognizing the inherent difficulties in interpreting angel numbers and implementing strategies to overcome these obstacles, you can enhance your ability to discern and apply their messages effectively. Remember, angel numbers are tools for empowerment and self-awareness, designed to support you on your life's journey. Approach their interpretation with an open mind, trust your intuition, and embrace the continuous process of learning and growth. So, the next time you encounter a recurring number sequence, take a moment to reflect, meditate, and consider the possible meanings in the context of your life. With patience and practice, you can unlock the wisdom and guidance that angel numbers have to offer, paving the way for a more enlightened and purposeful existence. Have you ever struggled to interpret angel numbers? Share your experiences and the challenges you faced in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content on spirituality and personal development, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates.